Do you love embellishing journals, but find that you get lost in the amount of time that it takes? Well, then try this method for some quick and easy tag and journal card bases. This is the cover of a 6x6-inch paper pack. I never throw these away, so I have several lying around. A lot of them have this great striped background, which makes a perfect base for a journal card or a tag. Grab your scissors and paper trimmer and start cutting. While there are many different ways that you can cut out your cards and tags, these are a few of the easiest combinations that I find myself doing all the time. Each combination that I'm going to show you today will end up with this small piece at the bottom. It makes a great spine reinforcer, or you can use it for something else. First, you get a nice 4x6 journal card. Next, I'm going to cut two narrow strips, one slightly narrower than the other. So I'll end up with a bookmark and a larger tag or journal card. I create a lot of smaller pockets in my journals, so this particular size is usually my favorite. Two nice little chunky small journal cards, or they make really cute tags too. And this last one is very similar. The only difference is I will make one small tag and more of a square, chunky journal card. Once you're done with that, all that's left is adding some basic decorations. Throw some paper strips on there, some labels, some images that you may have lying around, pictures from old magazines, anything to get it almost decorated. But leave the final embellishments, like your sparkles and your fancy fabrics, save those until the very end, because those are going to be dependent upon which particular journal theme you're using. I love the creative process, but sometimes I can get lost there and spend days and days and days on just making a couple tags or a couple journal cards. And this, I find, saves me a lot of time when I want to get to the actual journal creation and embellishing that particular journal. Anyway, this is a great way to use up your scraps or find things that you have hidden in your drawers that you've never even used and make something useful out of them. Go ahead and give it a try. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.